Welcome to Edulegit Step-by-Step Guide. This guide walks you through creating assignments in Edulegit, perfect for employee training. Follow the detailed instructions to efficiently set up tasks, input course details, and manage task statuses. Access the Tasks section. Initiate the task creation process. Provide a clear and concise name for the assignment. Select the course to which the task belongs. Select the task status. Specify the submission deadline for the assignment. Include any specific instructions or requirements for the task. Define the maximum number of documents students can submit for the task. Include any specific instructions or requirements for the task. Keep an eye on student progress to ensure timely submissions and provide feedback as needed. Save the changes. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Edulegit.